Hello. Welcome to today's video. Today we are going to be focusing on our face, but especially the areas right around the laugh lines. We are going to be treating that area. We all know that when it comes on to the laugh lines, for some people it tend to get a little deeper and causing your appearance to look a little more older than you'd like it to be. For some people, the folds come with the wrinkles on the upper lip, but there are means and ways that you can have your laugh line a little less obvious and also giving your face a more youthful look. So what we're going to be doing today, we are going to make a remedy that you can use. So if you're interested in today's video, follow me to the kitchen and I'll show you how to whip this up in no time.
To make this recipe, you're going to need a small blender. If you do not have a blender and you have a grinder, that is also good. You can even choose to crush the ingredient. Now we're also going to be needing a small bottle for storing your oil. Now take a look at the first ingredient. This is some black sesame seeds. And in case you're not aware of how powerful black sesame seeds are, especially when it comes on to anti-aging purposes. Black sesame seeds will help to renew your skin. It will help to revitalize. It will help to smooth wrinkles and fine lines on the skin. And it will also help to boost the collagen production in the skin. Now the trick is, how do you use it on the skin? And that is what I'm going to show you in this video. So what I'm going to do with the sesame seeds, I'm going to be blending. And in case you're wondering if you can use the regular sesame seeds in this recipe, yes you can. Just make sure that the seeds are unroasted. Now I'm going to be using 3 tablespoons of the sesame seed, and I'm showing it to you up close. This is what they look like when they're not roasted. I'm going to add it to the blender and I'm going to blend. Now sesame seed oil is rich in zinc, which is one of the most important minerals for your skin. It can increase skin elasticity and smoothness. It also helps to tighten and firm the skin. It also helps to eliminate skin condition, including premature aging. Just an overall natural remedy, natural ingredient to use on your skin. And here we have our blended black sesame seeds. Now one thing you're going to notice with the sesame seed after blending is that it becomes oily, and that's exactly why we blend. We blend to release the oils so that we can infuse it with the other oils. So the finer you blend the black sesame seeds is the best it is for this recipe. So go ahead and blend until you get this kind of consistency. So now that this is done, let's move on. If you have already subscribed to the channel and you feel like you want to be more active on this channel, to be more a part of the channel, then you can become a member. Look below, there's a join button. Click on it and choose your tier. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pour this sesame seeds in a bottle, and I'm reaching for my little bottle right here. Now the mouth of this bottle is very small, so I'm gonna make a little funnel, place it on the paper towel like I'm showing here so that I could pour this in easier. If you have a wider mouth bottle to use, go ahead and use that. Just make sure that the cover is very tight. I'm going to be using about 2 tablespoons of our blended black sesame seeds. Now that we filled our bottle up with the sesame seeds, let's move on to the other ingredients. Now our next ingredient is some sweet almond oil, and this is actually a carrier oil that when mixed with other oil will help to fight the aging process, help to smooth wrinkles and fine lines on the skin. So with that said, let's pour in. So I'm going to be pouring the 2 tablespoons of the almond oil in the container with the blended black sesame seeds. And almond oil contains a lot of antioxidant and fatty acid which provide nutrients to the skin, thus keeping the skin firm and soft. Our next oil is another carrier oil, and this is olive oil. Olive oil is great for dry skin. It will help to plump the skin up and lock the moisture in the skin. So I'm going to be using about 3 tablespoons of the olive oil. You can also choose to use avocado oil, or you can even use some coconut oil instead of the olive oil. Now, olive oil provides intense nourishment to the skin and penetrate the inner layer of the skin to keep it soft, moisturized, and hydrated. It contains fatty acid, which nourish the fatty tissues. The antioxidant and the fatty acid help to preserve the elasticity of the skin by boosting the collagen production in the skin. Olive oil helps to smooth out wrinkles on the skin and just leave the skin soft and supple. Now, what I'm going to do after pouring the olive oil, I am going to shake. So far we have our black sesame seeds, we have some almond oil, and we also have some olive oil. Now I'm going to tell you the other oils that you can use in this. Notice I only use 2 carrier oils, and that is because I want you to choose your favorite anti-aging facial oils. Now guys, this is the base, and this is good just as is. However, if you want to make this much stronger for more anti-aging benefits, we're going to add some other oils. You can choose to use some rosehip oil in this. Use a half a teaspoon of rosehip oil. You can choose to use a half a teaspoon of cacao oil. You can choose to use a half a teaspoon of argan oil. You can use some vitamin E oils in this. 1 teaspoon of vitamin E oil. Now, the reason for not pouring these in is for you to choose the oil that you already have at home. So use your special oil to kick this up a notch. Now, there you have it. Here we have our facial oil made out of black sesame seeds. That is going to have your skin looking amazing. Now, after adding your oils to this, what I want you to do, I want you to cover this tightly, put it away in your pantry in a dark area for at least 2 to 3 weeks. Then you take it out and your oil is ready to use on your skin.
Once you press it on, then you're going to do your massaging technique on your skin. Just lift the skin. And you want to do this for about 3 minutes or more, okay? Whatever massage that you like to perform on your skin, go ahead and do that. And I have several videos showing you some amazing massaging techniques. So, massage the remedy on your skin. 3 minutes and pack it on your laugh line. This is also good for your under eyes. And look what I'm doing. I'm just tapping it on, just tapping it on. Now, once this is done, that's it. You're going to wear it overnight, and upon arising in the morning, you're going to wash your face like you normally do. Continue to use the remedy. However, within a week, you're going to notice a significant difference to your skin. You're going to notice that the wrinkles are slowly diminishing, and you're also going to notice that your skin is looking clearer and brighter. Just amazing. Now, once you continue to use it and do these facial massages, you're going to notice that eventually you're going to notice that your skin is just getting a little more lifted, a little more firmer, and definitely a younger looking you. All right, so there you have it. Thank you all for watching. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share the video, and your comments are always welcome. And if this was your first time watching, you do not want to miss another video. So what you need to do is just hit the subscribe button, subscribe, and also hit that little bell at the side, which is a notification bell. That means each time I upload a video, you will get the notification right away. So subscribe, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye bye.